Hi there, my lovely kindergarten friends. It's Miss Klein here with Sonday Lesson 153. Whew! Alrighty, we're going to start with reading words that we've been practicing making all the last week or two. So these should be easy for you. Are you ready? Pay attention to my screen. Here we go. Ram. Had. Can you remember, is that the long A or the short A sound? It's the short A sound. Good job. Let's speed it up. Lag, lad, cab, wrap, pan, ham, an, fat, sag, jam, act, cap, tan, cat, bag, map, am, hat. Remember this sight word, it's not the letter A, it's the sight word like the sound for you, but when we say it as a sight word, it's Oops. And this is our sight word, the. T-H-E spells the. We can use those words to build phrases. These ones are the review words, I believe. Let me check my book here. Yep, these are our review it words. Fit, sit, lit, bit. They all belong in the same word family, the it word family. Hit, bit, kit, hit. Now we can use those sight words to build some phrases. A pit, the pan, bad fit. Get your piece of paper ready. We are ready to spell some words. Here we go. Let's review some of those it words. So I'm going to put it at the top of my paper like that because I know all of these words are going to fall in the it family. Actually, let's make a little game out of it. So we'll do it on one side and I'll write other on the other side. I'm going to say the word and you figure out which column it goes in. Are you ready? Let's do gab. Is that part of the it family or the other one? Gab. G-A-B. Did you get it right? It goes in the other side. What about pit? P-I-T. It goes in the pit side. Where does bit go? B-I-T. It goes in the it side. What about the? Our sight word, the. Where does that go? This side, the other side. Good job. Lit. L-I-T. Lit. And what about hit? It. It goes on the it side. What about lap? L-A-P. There it is on the other side. And last one, our sight word, It goes over here on the other side. Good job writing your words, friends. All right, before we get to our Sonday worksheet, I'm going to show you some new material. We're working on the I sound being in the middle of our words, but this time we're going to change the ending to an N. So this says in. That's the new word family we're working with. P in pin. B in bin. F in fin. T in tin. W in win. K in kin. Now let's read them a little faster. In, pin. Bin, fin. Tin, kin. Din, win. Alrighty, it's time for us to get our worksheet. It says, find the words that end with the underlined sound. Write those words. So in this column right here, it says can. The ending sound, k, e, n, the ending sound is n. So we need to look at this big box of words right here and find words that end with n. I see pan has the n sound at the end, so I would write pan. Then find the rest of them. Over here, it's looking for fit. T, t, t is at the end. Can you find all the words that have t at the end? And over here, it's ham. Can you find the words that have at the end? Then you can go down here and look at the last three. You guys, I have seen such good Sonday work from all of you kindergartners, so I know that this is making sense. And that means we're going to be better readers and writers and spellers, which is awesome. Okay, friends, have fun with your Sonday work, and I'll see you next time.